All right, friends, today you watched another video to review silent E and what silent E does to change a word. For your assignment today, you guys are going to upload a picture. And what I want you to do is tell me what happens to a vowel in a word when the word has a silent E on the end. So I want you to write a sentence. When a word has a silent E on the end of it, the vowel, and I want you to complete the sentence and tell me what happens to the vowel when you add a silent E. And then I want you to give me one example of a word and how it changes when you add a silent E to the end of it. And you're going to upload a picture of your work or text or send a picture of your work to your teacher. So for example, what I mean by how a word changes when you add an E to the end of it, and give me an example. We learned that the word can turns into cane when you add the E to the end. So it makes a new word. So what I want you to do for your example is write your sentence, tell me what happens to the vowel when you add a silent E on the end of a word. When you're done with your sentence, I want you to write a word and then write the new word when you add the silent E. Well, the word kit turns into kite.